Hello guys，我们今天讲的题目呢是 marijuana 大麻这个单词经常会有的人念错，会念成 marijuana，OK？marijuana，J-U-A-N 这个名字，你在这个南美洲应该很常见吧？叫 one，OK？胡安翻译过来，对吧？one J-U-A-N，所以这个呢是 marijuana 外来词。Alright，我们先把这篇文章读一下。Another administration option is to bake marijuana at a relatively low temperature to kill any dangerous microorganisms, and then allow that patient to eat it or drink it. Both of these methods of administration make smoking the drug unnecessary. However, criticism of medical marijuana has also been raised because, as a natural plant, it cannot be patented and marketed by pharmaceutical companies and is unlikely to win widespread medical acceptance. 好，下面我们来看一下第一部分 ，OK？Another administration, 不要读成了 another，OK？Another administration option is to bake marijuana。这个 at 呢，我们要留意一下 ，OK？ 不要读成 at a relatively，at a relatively。Another administration option is to bake marijuana at a relatively low temperature to kill any dangerous microorganisms, and then 不是 and then，OK？And then allow that patient to eat it or drink it， 这里是连读，不能读成 eat it or drink it 是错的，也不能读成 eat it drink it 是错的 ，eat it or drink it。T 很清楚，不要发成 e 的音是 eat it or drink it。读一下 ，Another administration option is to bake marijuana at a relatively low temperature to kill any dangerous microorganisms, and then allow that patient to eat it or drink it. 在哪里断句呢？同学们，我们来看 another administration option 什么是什么？这里 be 动词前面可以有一个 tiny pause. Is to bake marijuana at a relatively low temperature to kill any dangerous microorganisms. And then allow that. 其实呢，我们可以在这个 to 前面有个 tiny pause。如果不停的同学呢，也没有关系，你可以在这里 and 前面。我们先在这个 to 前面停一下，读一下 ，OK？Another administration option is to bake marijuana at a relatively low temperature to kill any dangerous microorganisms, and then allow that patient to eat it or drink it. 第二种，我们在 to 那儿不要去做任何的停顿，试一试。Another administration option is to bake marijuana at a relatively low temperature to kill any dangerous microorganisms, and then allow that patient to eat it or drink it. OK？ 所以这里呢，我们要注意一下这个停顿。我们看第二部分，同学们，第二部分 ，both of these methods，both of，OK？ 这里有个连读，不要读成 both of 是错的 ，both of these methods of administration make smoking the drug unnecessary. 听好了吗 ？Make smoking the drug unnecessary. 不要读成 make smoking the drug. 你当然读 make 并没有错，但 if you want to be native, like native pronunciation, OK？ 你需要一个 make smoking the drug K 口型做出来，不需要发这个音。Alright， 第三部分 ，however 重读 ，OK？However 然而 ，criticism of medical marijuana has also been raised。这里可以停顿，对不对？没有任何问题。Because as a natural plant, it cannot 不是 cannot，OK？ 不是 cannot，it cannot be patented， 不是 patent 是 patented 授予专利 ，OK？Patented and marketed by pharmaceutical companies。这个单词注意了 ，pharmaceutical，OK？Pharmaceutical companies and 前面 and is unlikely to win widespread medical acceptance。这个 likely and unlikely 我没有读成 unlikely，OK？K 你们听我口型是做到位了，音只是没有发那么清楚 ，unlikely。And is unlikely 非常的弱，对不对 ？And is unlikely to win widespread medical acceptance。这块停顿呢，在 because 前面停顿没有问题，在 and 前面停顿 ，OK， 两处。好，我们把整篇文章呢来一起读一遍。Another administration option is to bake marijuana at a relatively low temperature to kill any dangerous microorganisms, and then allow that patient to eat it or drink it. Both of these methods of administration make smoking the drug unnecessary. However, criticism of medical marijuana has also been raised because as a natural plant, It cannot be patented and marketed by pharmaceutical companies and is unlikely to win widespread medical acceptance. Okay, that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow.